High volume. High volume.
Come rewind it. Girl, I get the money if you make you mine. If you're laughing, every night you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I have to make you mine. Girl, I love you cause I never make you mine.
Hey guys, welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all, peek where we are.
Sorry.
Tell them where we are.
Oh, we're in Mexico.
We are officially in Cancun, Mexico, okay? This is about to be the start of our 3-year anniversary trip, and I am so excited. Y'all, it has been a crazy travel day. Not like super crazy, but like we were supposed to be here by like 4:30. It is currently like 8 o'clock because our flight kept getting delayed. Our transportation didn't want to pick us up. It was a whole thing, but we made it. Honestly, this is probably as much as y'all gonna get for today because it's basically time to go to bed. We'll probably try to figure out something for dinner and then, you know, just chill out for the rest of the night. But let's quickly get into a little room tour. Okay guys, so this is the door. Right on the side of the door we have this a little closet space. Is this the mini fridge they were telling us about? Oh, they did tell us the mini fridge gets stocked daily. Did you find it? It was right here.
Yeah, there's an alcohol.
LOL. Okay, and then in here we have some cute little robes, and then they give us slippers, which is, oh, light spray, which is nice. So this is the whole closet set up here. And then right over here we have our cute little full body mirror. Okay. Our nice king size bed. TV, of course. Bunch of other stuff. Y'all, I've been telling Jamin that we can't drink the water. So anytime you drink water or brush your teeth, you need to use one of these bottles of water. What's this, coffee? I thought this was like chocolate. I think it's coffee. Here's Jamin. This fan is low. This is a little bit weird, but yeah. Okay, and then we kind of have like a little bit of a living area going on over here with the couch, the table. How'd you do that? And then just a little sitting area here. We actually, like I said, got an ocean view room, but you can't tell obviously because it is pitch black, but I will definitely show y'all the view more in the morning. So there's that. Okay, now for the bathroom. This is such a good sized room. Like, I don't feel crammed in here or anything. Toilet.
In there.
Okay, so on this side, we have the toilet room. A little glass door. Here's the toilet. Cute. Here are the adorable vanity sinks. The Reeds are international. Here is the Mr. and Mrs. Reed. This is cute. I love this. Oh, they knew, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is nice. A little hand soap, a little lotion. And then on this side, I'm assuming is the shower. Where's the towels at? Oh, there they are. There's the towels at the bottom. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So we have a waterfall shower situation. This is interesting. With a bathtub. Can you stop switching lights every time I walk into something? With a bathtub inside the shower setup? Like, come on. Come on now, this is nice. Okay, that is so cool. Just walked all in there in my shoes, not to wipe the floor. Okay. Okay guys, but that is it. We're about to wrap up day 1. We're actually about to figure out what to do about dinner and then probably lay it on down. So we will start this vlog nice and fresh tomorrow morning for day 2. Good morning guys. It is officially, oh, I promise I got a top on. It is officially day 2 in Cancun. Let me open this all the way. And I'm feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on today. So today is really more of like a chill day for us because we did get here super late. And I definitely want to walk around and kind of explore the resort a little bit more. The sun is up, so now we can officially see our ocean view. So this is our ocean view room. Not too bad, not too bad. But we are currently dressed am ready to go to breakfast. It's like 8:18, so pretty early start for the day. But I'm excited to see what we get into. But let's go eat some breakfast because I'm hungry.
The bed inna the room, but no ask about it. Like say, give me and give your girl sit down on it. Up in the bench and make me start it. But if it is a land, me a go park it. Left it a carnation in the market. Combine up your tight pussy from the cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Combine up your tight pussy from the cocky. Long till it bend like banana. And then you done back with your girl sit down on it. Let me pitch it in a every song corner. Wind up your tight pussy from the cocky. Give long till it bend like banana. Balance, over your 2 pint, 2 pint and 2 hands. Missionary woman that a nuisance. You demand one, cause your body not done out. You don't run it through queens and doing not true ranks. You're full of substance, you're full of substance. That you me think out when you do me dog sounds. So me no see far, me can't keep me distance. Me have to tell you say for instance. Wind up your tight pussy from the cocky. Long till it bend like banana. Wind up your tight pussy from the cocky. Long till it bend like banana. And then you turn back with your girl, sit down on it. Let me pitch it in like every song.
Okay guys, we made it to the beach. We honestly found a really good shady spot. I put a little bit of sunscreen on, but I can't tell if it's like a white cast or it's just, I'm just sweating because it's hot. But here was our beach fit. We honestly got really lucky. There's no one, well, I don't want to say there's no one. There's people down that way, but where we are, 10 out of 10. Nice, we're chilling. Can't see, let me take these off. Can't even see y'all. But yeah, let me show y'all the views. Do I have a white cast? When I go back and edit it, I'm gonna be able to tell. Hey.
I'm sorry, it's like I can't see.
Can't see?
Yeah.
Why?
It's like
there's no sun.
I know, but it's like UV rays are making it hard to see. My eyes aren't doing well with it.
It's the life. Okay, so yeah, we're just planning on chilling here for a bit. Relax. Y'all, we got some Uno cards. I had to. Uno's like the only game I like to play, so we bought Uno cards. It's a little windy, but hopefully it works out.
We talked for a sec, you fretted me up so we could connect. And what are the odds? You send me a text and now the next thing I know I'm like, manifest, that's your oversight. I digress, got me scrolling like, out of breath, got me going like. Who's the cute boy with the white jacket and the thick accent? Maybe it's all night.
It is about almost 1 o'clock. I think I'm getting hungry, so we're about to, I just finished taking pictures on the beach, so that's cool. I can't really see how they came out because you know, like when your phone be out in the sun, it'd be like kind of dark. But I think we're about to either pull up to one of the food trucks, because they do have a food truck out here, or try one of the like lunchy kind of restaurants. Waiting on Jamin's pina colada that he ordered, and he swear this lady's not bringing it, but I'm pretty sure this is her bringing it right now.
So it's the second time.
The first time she never brought it, and so we've had to get up twice for drinks. But okay, I think this is her coming right now. He's being such a brat.
I paid good money for this.
LOL.
I talk so sweet when you're doing bad things. I tell, are you looking at me? I know what that means in love. Are you free next week? I bet we'd have really good. And I bet we both arrive at the same time. And I bet the thermostat says 6.
Wow. I caught that on camera. Hello, beautiful people. It's currently like almost 4 o'clock, I think it's like 3:50. And we found this cabana. And we thought that it was like maybe only for the Diamond Club members, but the Diamond Club is like completely on the other side of the resort. So we was like, maybe it's not for the Diamond Club members. And I love a good cabana. So here's our cabana, everyone. But I do want to say, y'all, like, I'm a picky eater, and I feel like, so the food here, oh my gosh, wait. Okay, so I would say the food here, y'all, is pretty mid. I'm a picky eater, and I feel like I'm like almost like struggling to find things to eat. Like, how we not have chicken tenders? I saw chicken tenders on the room service menu, but when we went into the little buffet thing for lunch, there was no chicken tenders. The only American type food I saw was like burgers. Y'all, I need a chicken tender. You can never go wrong with a chicken tender and a hot dog and maybe a cheese pizza. They have pizza, but it's not cheese pizza, so it was kind of hit or miss for me for lunch. I had like spaghetti and it was not very good, so we ended up going to a pizza place that they have on the resort. Still kind of like, yeah, but it got the job done. And then we got ice cream, so all was well. Jamin literally just got up to get us some more drinks. I think I've tried a strawberry margarita. I've tried a tequila sunrise, and then this time I'm having him bring me a strawberry daiquiri back to try that. And they're not like super strong at all, y'all. Like, you're almost like 1% alcohol at this point. They're putting nothing in it. Y'all, I look a hot mess. I'm sorry. I promise I'm gonna get it together by tonight. Hopefully I'm not like so tan that my makeup doesn't match. But I probably won't be doing foundation because I'm pretty sure my foundation will not match my skin tone. I'm not sure why my eyes look like this stuff. But yeah, we're just chilling, honestly. A vibe by the beach. We tried the lazy river. That was nice. Honestly, if they didn't have like this one section that like the water basically like waterfalls on your head, I would stay on it a couple more loops, but I was like, I cannot do that. I did that one time and I was like, nah, I'm good. So honestly, y'all, we're just chilling here until it is time for us to go back to the room to get ready for dinner. And I know I look full of sleep, but it's okay because I'm on vacation. But it's okay, even better, because I'm gonna get it all together for the night. Yeah, I think you have to like reserve your spot for dinner. You can't just like show up. So we reserved the spot at like 6:30 at one of the Brazilian restaurants. I'm excited. I saw that there was like 2 steak options, so I'm excited. The only thing I could think about that's kind of weird about this resort is that it's Pepsi products, and I'm personally a Coca-Cola product kind of gal, but that's okay. It's a Sierra Mist. Oh, a 7-Up. That's what I've been getting, a 7-Up. But yeah. Now we just wait on Jamin to come back with those drinks. Guys, so this is just a quick little OOTD. Well, outfit for dinner, not the whole day, but here's the look. Here's the matching fit. We're honestly about to be late. The only other thing I gotta put on is my earrings, and then I should be good to go. But here is the dress. And then here's the shoes. LOL. Here's the matching set. We love it. Oh, your shoes aren't even on.
I can't see it anyway.
Okay. But yeah, we're already about to be running late, so we're about to go to dinner.
My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby.
I look kind of crazy, but hello guys. The bonnet is on. I'm literally standing here about to take a shower, but I just want to hop on here real quick and close out this part. Why do I look like this? Look like a ghost. Y'all, I'm pretty sure my foundation does not match my skin tone anymore, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll let it go for the rest of the week, honestly. Well, for the rest of the trip. But yeah, this honestly wraps up the very first full day we have. Tomorrow we are having to wake up super early to get ready for our excursion day. They're gonna be supposedly, we don't know like for sure, but they should be our excursion should be picking us up from our resort and taking us all the way to the excursion, and then we spend the whole day there, and then they just bring us back. But yeah, so tomorrow, y'all, is like our actual anniversary, and I'm just like, I'm so excited. Like, it's just, today was just full of vibes. Today was such a vibe. Like, it was just like so chill, so relaxing, fun. We ate some food, just a good time. But yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and call it a night, and then I will catch y'all in the morning. I honestly don't think I'm gonna bring this camera to Explore Park, because that don't seem right with me. So I probably will film most of the footage on my phone. So you notice a quality change, that's probably why.
You only roll like once. Life move fast and you know what you want. Like this sounds doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. So what you want? I don't know.
These niggas is finesse. I can't fuck with niggas, I can't fuck with niggas. I got a couple niggas that'll let it fly for a couple niggas. That a couple niggas is me. They love me, cause pot smoke for the streets. I got the heat in the rocket.
It is officially day 3 and we are headed to Explore Park, and this is my OOTD. I actually have like a little swimsuit on underneath this, so very much waterproof. I don't know if I'm gonna get hot in this, but it's cute, so I was like, we're going for it. I did actually end up ordering, watch my prepping pack video, you know, but I did end up ordering my water shoes, so I honestly think we're pretty good to go. Waiting on Jamin to get ready. As always, I think I need to pack a hair tie, just in case. I need to like pull my hair back, but yeah, y'all, this is the vibe for today. Super excited, so. I mean, like I said yesterday, I am gonna be leaving this camera, so all footage will be recorded on my phone, so I will see y'all there.
How you real, and you run on your mans, I'll be dead. Look, I'm coming out with the Peter Pan, looking for you and your friends. Hop in the rocket, go to Venus. I'm dreaming, I'm a genius. Hop in the rocket, go to Venus. I'm dreaming, I'm a genius.
Yeah. No cap. No rap cap. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drunk in this clean route. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit it like golf ball. I can't do this without y'all. Call it lost, I go loco. I go back to that trap house. Ready to press that belt down. Cashing in and I cash out. Turn it to a stash house. I ain't taking no handout. Money calling, I'm en route. They been down. Blow back when I'm in town. Yeah. Is it gonna you the best? I done went and got a check. I'm about to flex. It's all my baguette. Rocket diamonds on wet. I got water on my neck. I just started reminisce. One about Lexus. I take my fridge. Sending me threats.
Hey guys, it is honestly still the same day. So we actually just got back from Explore Park and it is like 6 o'clock. We've been there. We got there around 9 a.m. when the park first opened, and then they didn't have our pickup until 5 when the park closed. And then it's like an hour away from this resort, so transportation was about an hour. It was good. I napped the whole time, so that's good. I'm glad I brought this change of clothes. This is the change of clothes that I brought. Real comfy, real cozy. Okay, so now is the part where I give Jamin a surprise for our anniversary.
Wait, no, that's not fair. I didn't know we were doing gifts.
Come sit down.
Am I dirty thing?
Yeah, this is just the cap. Okay, are you ready?
Sure. Wait, I feel unfair. I thought the vacation was
Calm
the gift.
down! Why you came in?
I would have got you a gift. Not fair.
Yeah, you can't stop how great.
Okay. Am I opening it right now?
Yeah.
Oh, you taped this.
No, I didn't.
Ooh, is it one of them like shutter books or whatever? It's like the packaging feels like that. Yes, you all excited to read everything about it? Oh, snap. I'll show you. Side 2, the read. This is kind of a thick book.
I know. I put every single photo from the entire wedding
Really?
in this book. Even the ones that people like sent us.
Oh, really?
And then I think the rehearsal dinner is also in there.
This is so fun.
Funny because we were really just talking about how we needed to like start doing books like this for like all of our little trips. We thought I had that thought and we started taking a bunch of pictures ASAP because we was really kind of lacking. But yeah, so So now we have a full book from our entire wedding. So if those photos ever get lost, we at least have this book. Yeah, that was the surprise, and I think we surprised them, guys.
My head back.
Okay, guys, so sorry, we was just out on the balcony. Oh, thanks. Okay, so we are officially dressed, not late, and ready for dinner. We just finished taking pictures on the balcony. Let me put y'all here so y'all can peek the fit. Dress for tonight. You didn't even, I gotta announce you before you hit your spin. And then this is Jimin's fit for the night. But yeah, guys, so we actually ended up reserving like the steakhouse for our anniversary dinner tonight, so that's clutch. I already looked at the menu and I'm gonna be eating good and I'm hungry, so we're actually about to go head that way and then we will catch up with y'all later. Okay guys, so we just, it's been a day honestly, but dinner just finished and then we just finished wrapping up taking some photos in our outfits. So honestly, I will check in with y'all probably tomorrow. Hey guys, and we are back. We are officially in the airport. I assume we went through customs. I don't really know how that works, but I know we did go through security. Got our bag checked in, and now we're just chilling. We got about another hour and a half before they started to board the plane. But yeah, here is the airport fit. We got our The Reeds Tour shirt on from our wedding merch. And honestly, we just chilling. I wanted to hop on here and go ahead and close out this video so that when I get on that plane, I can edit this video. Okay, so if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching this far. But just a quick recap on our resort. I would say the food was not it. Like, I feel like the feel and vibe of the resort was giving luxury, but the food, not so much, honestly. There wasn't a single thing I remember eating on the resort that was like, wow, 10 out of 10. None of it. Not even like the steakhouse. The steakhouse was still mid. It took them almost 2 hours to bring our food out. Room service will tell you that things will take, okay, what was I gonna say? Oh, in room service, like we tried to like order room service for like more towels. They take an hour. They will say, okay, we'll be with you in like 15 to 20 minutes, an hour. We tried to order food room service. They hung up on us like 3 times. Food took 2 hours. Like at this point, it's like I don't even want it. But so room service was like, yeah, a little iffy. But I guess they were busy, maybe understaffed. I don't know. But food overall was probably the worst part. And I'm a pretty picky eater, so I don't know. The food on the food at the Explore Park though was definitely a 10 out of 10. Great variety of options, and I would definitely recommend Explore if you do plan to go to Cancun. But other than that, everything else I think was nice. The beach was alright, pools and stuff were good. Everything else is fine. But yeah, so that really is it. Oh, he don't got nothing to add, so it's fine.
You don't know.
Okay, tell him what you got to add.
Room service hung up on me 3 times.
I already said that.
And you probably mentioned that they were called a couple times to get some bath towels.
Yep, mentioned that.
Crazy. She didn't mention that the cabanas were free. I know you didn't mention that.
The cabanas were free.
Yeah, we got to show them.
I'm sure I said that when we were in the cabana though.
But yeah, got to show them the cabanas for free. You know, all open bar means not very much alcohol in the drinks.
That's true, yeah. Alcohol was very much watered down.
Just water juice.
Yep.
You know, with a drop of tequila.
Yeah. Well, anyways, guys, we're just gonna go ahead and close out today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. It has been a great anniversary. For those of you who know, you know. It's our 3-year anniversary. So yeah. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. When all I can think about is us since I see